Today I'm cooking up a hearty and comforting chicken and vegetable soup. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. My chicken and vegetable soup is a great way to use up leftover chicken from your roast dinner, and we're going to start by making the broth. Remove any leftover shreds of meat from the chicken and place them in a bowl. We're going to add those into the soup later. Place the chicken bones and skin into a large saucepan and then completely cover it with cold water so the water comes up to about 1 inch above the chicken. Now we're going to add in a few extras to the pan to give us a really flavourful broth for the base of that soup. We'll start with a whole onion chopped into quarters, no need to peel. Then add a carrot, just snap it in half, no need to peel again, a bay leaf and 2 crumbled stock cubes. Bring to the boil, then turn down the heat and simmer for 2 to 3 hours until the water is reduced by at least half. After 2 or 3 hours, turn off the heat and leave to cool slightly. Then place a sieve over a large bowl and strain the chicken and the veg into the sieve. Leave it for a couple of minutes so all the juices drip into the bowl. That stock is going to be so full of flavour and goodness from those chicken bones. Now we're going to start preparing the veggies. So start by peeling and dicing 2 carrots. Add them to the pan along with a large potato that's been peeled and chopped and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Pour the broth over the veggies into the pan and simmer gently for 20 minutes until the vegetables are soft and tender. Add in the chicken pieces that we saved from earlier for the last 5 minutes just to heat through. Ladle the soup into bowls and sprinkle with a little fresh chopped parsley and you're ready to serve. There you go, that's my chicken and vegetable soup. A great way to use up leftover chicken for a super tasty dinner. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.